The DJI Mini 4 Pro takes the lightweight drone market by storm, packing a powerful punch in a sub-249 grams package. But does it compromise portability for performance, or is it the ultimate all-rounder for creators on the go? Let's dive into the details. Pros. Tiny and portable. Weighing under 249 grams, the FAA registration limit, the Mini 4 Pro slips easily into a backpack or pocket, making it ideal for travel and spontaneous adventures. Excellent image quality. The 1/1.3-inch sensor and f1.7 aperture capture stunning 4K 60 FPS video and 48 megapixels photos with vibrant colors and sharp details, even in low light. Dual aspect ratio camera. Switch effortlessly between widescreen and vertical formats for social media-ready content, saving you time and editing headaches. Improved obstacle avoidance. 360 degrees obstacle sensing gives you peace of mind while flying, especially for beginners, keeping your precious drone safe from unintended collisions. Extended flight time. Up to 30 minutes of airtime lets you explore further and capture longer, cinematic shots. Cons. No zoom. Unlike some larger drones, the Mini 4 Pro lacks a zoom lens, which can be limiting for certain shots. Battery life could be better. While 30 minutes is decent, some competitors offer longer flight times, meaning more frequent battery swaps. Remote controller options. The basic controller lacks a built-in screen, while the screen-equipped option adds significant bulk and cost. Higher price point. Compared to the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 4 Pro comes at a premium, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. Verdict. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a game-changer for creators seeking a pocket-sized powerhouse. Its exceptional image quality, obstacle avoidance, and dual aspect ratio camera make it ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage and photos, while its portability and ease of use are unrivaled. However, the lack of zoom, shorter flight time compared to some rivals, and higher price tag might leave some users searching for alternatives. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a clear winner for travel-loving content creators and anyone who values portability and ease of use without sacrificing image quality. If you can live without zoom and a longer flight time, the Mini 4 Pro is a tiny terror that packs a serious punch. Additional considerations. If zoom is essential, consider the slightly larger DJI Air 2S. For budget-conscious buyers, the DJI Mini 3 Pro offers similar features at a lower price. If longer flight times are a priority, look for drones with additional battery options.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.